Compare symptom of Bryonia and Arsenic Album. This topic is BHMS second year HMM. Subject give me all information in table. Aspect Bryonial, Arsenic Album, Ars. General symptom Bryonial. Patient is irritable, want to be left alone, restless if disturbed, prefer immobility. Arsenicum album. Patient is anxious, restlessness, fear death, perfectionist, cannot remain still, want company but always is also fearful. Physical general. Bryonial. Aggravation by motion, relief by rest, dryness of mucous membrane, thirsty for large quantity of cold water. Arsenic album. Aggravation at night, cold after exertion, chilly, weak, emaciation, burning pain, thirst, small CPs frequently. Fever. Bryonial. Fever is dry lips, head, acne, slight motion, constipation. Fever aggravate with movement. Arsenical. Fever with restlessness, burning body, anxiety, collapse tendency, chilly but desire warmth. Head. Bryonia. Headache worse by motion, better by pressure, maybe one side, drowsy, irritable. Arsenic album. Headache worse at night after mental exertion, burning sensation, anxious and restless. Eye bryonia, red eye, sensitive to light, pain on motion. Arsenic album. Eye weak, inflamed, burning, maybe blur vision, restless look. Bryonia. Ache worse from motion, stitching pain, or problem with burning pain, discharge restlessness, want to touch ear. Nose, bryonia, dry nose, bleeding, nasal irritation, arsenic album, burning in nose, scanty water, discharge worse at night. Mouth, throat, dry mouth, thirsty for large quantity of pain and swallowing, burning pain in motion and throat, small speed of water, frequent ulcer. Stomach, abdomen, constipation, bloating worse by slight movement, pain, sharp stitching. Arsenic album, vomiting, diarrhea, burning in abdomen, cramping pain, worse after midnight, ameliorated by warmth. Rectum, bowel, constipation, hard, dry stool, aggravated from motion. Arsenic album, dry, diarrhea, burning stool, tenesmus, worse night and cold. Urinary. Frequent urination. Urine dark or scanty. Aggravation from motion. Frequent urination, scanty burning, involuntary anxiety about health. Respiratory. Dry cough, worse from movement, chest pain on cough, cough with burning in chest, anxiety, worse at night, restlessness. Extremities. Bryonia. Painful joint muscle, worse by motion, prefer to lie on painful side. Weakness, burning in limb, restlessness, trembling, cannot lie still. Bryonia, sleep, sleep aggravated by motion, drowsy, unrefreshing sleep, restless sleep, walking with anxiety, nightmare, desire for more. Mind, emotion, Bryonia, irritable, angry, want to be left alone, sensitive, gloomy. Arsenic album, anxious, fearful, perfectionist, fear of death, obsessive, restlessness, fatigue, fidgety, modality aggravation. Bryonia, motion, touch, heat, summer, mental exertion. Arsenic album, night cold, exertion after midnight, anxiety, loneliness. Modalities, amelioration. Bryonia, rest, pressure, lying still, cool environment. Arsenic album, warmth, company, small piece of water, reassurance. Key indication: Bryonia. Pain worse from slightest motion, thirst from large quantity of water, irritable and want suitable, dryness of mucous membrane, restless, anxious patient, burning pain, emaciation, frequent small spit of water, fear of death, and obsession with health, arsenical. Summary difference: Bryonia, pain worse from motion, desire, solitude, drink large quantity at once. Arsenic album, pain accompanied by restlessness, burning, desire small spice frequently, anxious and fearful.